US30 this week has found enough bullish strength to push the price even higher above 35500 price level, and what we can see here, the price started with a small candle here, and on a Tuesday the price has formed a small bullish candle and made a breakout on a Wednesday. After that, on a Thursday, the price has found even more strength and pushed above 35900, and it has broken above, going above even more, reaching 36260, which is a great signal for the US30 on the market, where we have here a strong two bullish candles. On the weekly time frame, this looks also bullish, what we can see, and the price has reached this one trend line, which is now acting as a resistance with what we can see it here, and also the second one, this trend line, that is also acting as a resistance. So the price has made a breakout above 35500 on the weekly time frame, which is a great signal for the price. Let's see on the monthly what we can see. The price has formed this bullish candle, which has formed a bullish breakout on several levels on the monthly time frame. First one is here around 34500, the next one is here 35600, and where the price is heading right now is the price level here 36500. So the price is currently in the bullish mode. What we can see here, the price is bouncing from this trend line, which has acted as a support. So the next, what we can expect in the following month is the price reaching the area around 36400 and dropping down back. What we can see in the past, the price has done right that. After the price has reached this price level here, the price dropped down even all the way around 34346, which is around 34500 price level. Also, the price could move above 36444 price level and making a breakout to the upside and then confirming. But before making that happen, I am expecting that the price will make a reverse back down, because this strong bullish momentum needs to release somehow, and this is where the price could find a great selling pressure here, where the buyers go outside of their trades and push the price even more down. So the next step, where what I'm expecting is for the price reaching 36400 and then making a retrace around 35600 price level. But also before that happens, we need to see what happens on the weekly time frame, but also remember that this month has just started, so anything can happen. After this bullish breakout has been happening on the weekly time frame around 35500 price level, the next one where the price could stop is this one here, which is 36300, where the price currently is. But also the weeks where the price could reach is 36400 and then reversing back down. When the price goes down and make a reverse, the first level where the price could stop on the weekly time frame is 35600, which you can see here on the chart. And also this is what I'm expecting, because this confluence of resistance where we have here two trend lines and also horizontal monthly resistance level is a great selling pressure, and also the selling zone, which is a supply zone for the sellers, and also the exit target for the bulls. If we go to the weekly, to the daily time frame, what we can see here is very visible. A strong confluence of resistance and also this supply zone around 36400 price level, where the price could stop and bounce back down. The first level where the price could stop is 3600, which is the first level of this demand zone with this support where the price could stop. But this is also the target for the daily time frame. I am expecting after the price makes move close to this one, to this supply zone, which is 36400 price level, as you can see it here. After the price, I'm expecting it will drop down. If this doesn't hold, the next one where the price stop is 35600. I have mentioned on the previously time frames on the weekly and also monthly. So this is very important level for the price. So before the price makes a move to the upside above 36400, which is a monthly resistance line, I am expecting the price will drop down. But it can happen also on the daily time frame that the price makes a breakout to the upside and then makes a reverse back down. But before that happens, we have several levels that the price needs to break above, and also we need to see chart pattern just to see the price will move to the upside, which means a bullish validation of this price level. So if the price drops down, we can also expect it will be very hard for the price on the daily time frame specifically to make a breakout to the upside, which this is confluence of resistance that is currently pushing the price down. So this is the behavior I am expecting on the market. Even though the price is in the bullish mode, this bullish mode needs to find some kind of supply zone where they will exit from their trades, which will trigger sell-off for the price. Inside the description below this video, I am sharing with you a free PDF if you would like to get a tutorial with a step-by-step guide how to start trading and also how to use this supply-demand zone strategy that I'm currently using. If you are interested, check it below the video and it's free for you. See you next time and happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!